Alright, so what are we doing today?
We're changing the oil on a 5.0 GXI Volvo Penta motor.
Alright, show us how it's done.
Alright,
What's your name?
my name's Ben.
And what are you gonna be when you grow up?
I'm already grown up. Give me the...
Jet ski racer?
Yeah, I guess.
Alright, he guesses. Let's see if that confidence level can get him to number one. What were you last year?
Last year?
Yeah.
It was COVID. That was nothing.
What was the year before?
Number one.
Number one, baby. Alright, just talk to us. Tell us what you're doing.
Alright, so we're going to take the pump and we're going to feed it into the dipstick hole.
Okay.
Push it all the way down until it touches the bottom. In this case, put the pump, position our pump, put it down until it touches the bottom. Then pull it up like not even an inch, just a tiny bit so it's not clogged up. And then we're going to start pumping our oil up.
There it comes. This is Jeff. Like and subscribe, baby. Last Minute Racing, shout out. Sandock Anchor, shout out.
No, they're not my sponsors anymore.
Alright, fuck you, Sandock. Come find us. Like or dislike, baby. You like the cameraman skills? Like it. You don't like the cameraman skills? Don't like it. Do something.
Oh my god, Jeffrey.
I watch a lot of Ben Mala. Shout out Ben Mala.
You're gonna edit this, right?
Yeah. But people like the behind the scenes.
You probably should have turned on the motor and warmed up the oil and got it moving, but
There's a tip for you.
yeah. Yeah, the smart thing is to turn on your motor and let it run for a little bit and warm up the oil, but we didn't do that.
We'll let you know how it goes.
Alright, now we just wait. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull off the oil filter. I like to get all the oil out beforehand so we don't have any extra oil come out. You should use a rag, put one under the oil filter, catch whatever oil falls. I don't really have one on me right now or with me, so I'm just gonna wing it. But so the oil filter's down here. Come down here. And I'm gonna grab it with the oil wrench. Turn it. Not a lot of space to work in these. Probably don't want to film all this. It's gonna be a minute. Fuck, I need a rag. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do, guys, is we're going to wet up the new oil filter. Get the seal nice and wet. Put it back on. Hand tight is okay. Put our rags up. I'm gonna give it a few more pumps, see if I can get anything else out.
Well,
All right.
The rain is coming.
Yeah. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna check how much oil we took out of the boat. So we're gonna go to our oil pump over there, and we're gonna look at the measurement on the side. Show me the measurement. To the left.
Oh, here you go. Yeah, it's under 5.1.
Oh, it's on an angle. Make sure it's on a level. It's a lot closer, isn't it?
No, it's still under 5.1.
Okay. So we took out about 5.4 liters of oil, and we're gonna put it back in, and then we're gonna measure from there to see if we have enough oil in there. That's enough.